Join us as we embark on a captivating journey to commemorate Ghana's Independence Day in 2024. This year marks another significant milestone in Ghana's rich history, celebrating the nation's freedom, resilience, and enduring spirit. Against the backdrop of vibrant colors and rhythmic beats, our video captures the essence of Ghana's Independence Day celebrations, showcasing the unity and diversity that define this remarkable nation. From bustling city streets to serene rural landscapes, Ghanaians from all walks of life come together to honor their shared heritage and collective achievements. Witness the joyous festivities as communities across Ghana gather to partake in cultural performances, traditional dances, and spirited parades. From the pulsating rhythms of high-life music to the graceful movements of Adawa and Kapanlogo dances, each moment is infused with a deep sense of pride and patriotism. Throughout the video, we highlight Ghana's progress and development, showcasing the strides made in various sectors, including technology, education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Interviews with influential leaders, innovators, and everyday Ghanaians shed light on the nation's journey towards prosperity and sustainable growth. As the sun sets on another Independence Day celebration, join us in commemorating Ghana's Independence Day, a testament to the resilience, unity, and unwavering spirit of the Ghanaian people.